This is a product review for the TI-84 Plus CE Python graphing calculator. This is an excellent graphing calculator. My daughter has been using this in her accelerated mathematics class. It can do all of the various required functions. It has a button here to turn it on, and then you can hit second and on, and that turns it off again. You will get a notification on here whenever it's time to recharge, and you simply recharge it by plugging in the charger here on the side, and then the other end of the charger is a USB. Now, the other great thing about this is there are lots of different carrying cases on the market. This is the one that we purchased. I love the color of it. My daughter really enjoys it. It coordinates with all of her other gear. It's got this zipper that can close it in so it stays protected in her backpack. It's got a hard cover here, so it keeps this graphing calculator nice and safe, which is really important because this is an investment whenever you buy one of these things. So overall, we have been really happy with this graphing calculator as well as the carrying case, and I do highly recommend both of these products.